Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money making application that's going to pay you to literally play games on your mobile device. This method is going to be worldwide. But before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that my name is Edward Carreno and I create videos just like this one almost every single day on how to make money online and how to work from home. So if you subscribe to my channel right now and click that notification bell, you, my friend, will get notified whenever I upload a brand new video almost every single day on how to make money online and how to work from home. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell, guys, so you won't miss anything, and make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money with this device. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is the application right here, guys, and this is the payment proof of this application itself, and I'm going to show you how easy it is and a cool trick to actually get some more money from this actual application itself. And all you literally got to do is just play games, guys. So this is going to be a really short video. I just wanted to throw this out there so you guys can start making some money by playing some easy games. At that, some Litecoin, guys, some cryptocurrency. So if Litecoin is at a low price at the moment and you start to play this game and you get some withdrawals from this while Litecoin is low, then just imagine Litecoin going back up, so that money that you initially received can be even worth more money, guys. And if you just hold on to the money, if Litecoin goes even lower, eventually the cryptocurrency will go up, guys. So just keep on holding on to that crypto and then start to invest it in some other different method, or start to save the money so you can actually start building a business, guys. That is the key with all of these free methods, is saving the money to build a big business. So this is going to be a straightforward video, guys. So what we're going to do is just play like a spaceship game. There's cube jump, there's ball jump, cube fall, and break sticks, flappy cube as well, guys. So there's different ways and different games you can play, which are really actually fun to play, to be honest. So if we just do the first one real quick, I'm just going to show you how you can actually start to make money with this. You just go left and right here, and you try to destroy these meters, and you can get those Bitcoins right there, guys. As you can see, I'm not that good at the moment, but let me just try to get at least one Litecoin for you and show you a way where you can actually make some more money with this application, guys. So as you can see, guys, we only obtained around 3 Litecoins or Satoshis right there, but I'm going to show you a trick. As you can see, it says Litecoin 1 is actually 18, so that's a really good way to actually make money with this. And I want to show you a cool trick so we can start getting a lot more money than this, guys. So let me show you that right now. So the first one is actually just watching these ads right here where it says watch this video to get double your profits. So that's one cool way, but if you really think about it, the longer you stay playing these games, the higher this number is going to be. And then if you get a really high number, you can double that money right here, guys. So let's just go back home real quick so I can show you a trick that not a lot of people will show you inside of this application. So let's go to the settings tab real quick. Let's go to where it says earn more. So click on earn more, guys. So once you click on that, it's going to lead you to this page right here. It says activating this option can earn you 20%. When activating this option, you'll get more advertising than usual. So you're gonna get 20% more money, guys, for just clicking on this button that was initially off, but now since I turned it on, I'm gonna start to get 20% more money than what I would ever get on this application. So let me show you just another game real quick and show you how you can actually play and how easy it is to play these games. A good one actually is going to be this cube fall, because I have earned quite a lot of money with this. It's really challenging though. So let's just click on play and show you inside of this app. So as you can see, I earned another 3 Litecoin Satoshis right there, but it changed it to 18. So now I have a total of 233 Litecoin. So that is how easy and simple it is to make money with these applications. So if we go to the settings tab, guys, you can go to where it says withdraw, and then within the withdraw tab, you can input your Litecoin wallet right there. But you're going to need a minimum of 0.0002 Litecoin, which is not that hard to get at all, guys. If you just play these games and start to make some money from it. So I also want to show you guys this real quick inside of the Discord. I show you guys these applications before I even make a video about them, just like this application right here that I'm gonna make a video about soon. So you can come over here to the Discord and start to learn different money making applications before they even come out on YouTube, guys. So make sure you come over here to the Discord if you want to learn different money making applications. If you just like money and just like to talk about money just like this, guys, it was yesterday around 9:30 p.m. I posted up this actual photo on Facebook, and it says right here, looking for someone to make an olive green mask with the design E in the black in black ASAP, thanks. So I just showed you this, and even Grant Cardone right there, guys. So I put arrows to that because it says, guys, there's money to be made everywhere. Geez, start up a e-commerce store selling masks low, she needs one, buy cheap, sell high. So you can get information just like that, guys, if you're interested in learning to make money online. And on top of that, guys, if you need some motivation to keep going and start to build a really good mindset, I even have a daily motivation right here that's actually going to give you motivational videos from YouTube passively. So as soon as these people upload a video, you can actually come inside of here, look for those motivational videos that I watch every single day, guys. Every single day I watch at least 2 or 3 motivational videos. Some of them are an hour, some of them are 2 or 3 hours, but I listen to them day in and day out. So you can get started on learning and getting energized and getting excited to start making some money online with your mobile device, with your desktop, with your laptop, and even with your brain. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.